to add thumbnail on your video before exporting it. You know, thumbnail plays an important role in your videos. Thumbnail is that first thing that people will see on your video that will captivate them, that will make them to want to click to watch. When your thumbnail is not catchy, it's not readable, it's not clean, it's not shiny, people will not like to click. So while editing your video, make sure that you add thumbnail on your video before exporting it, because you might say after exporting you go to your maybe Canva or any other editing app to generate thumbnail and you forgot and upload the video like that. But once you add thumbnail on that your video before exporting it, this will help to make the video to go viral. So make sure that you watch this video to learn how you can add thumbnail on your video before exporting it using Capcut. This thumbnail is very important. It will help your video to go viral. Once you make the thumbnail to be eye-catchy, to be simple, and while making that thumbnail, make sure that the title on that thumbnail is very easy and the write-up is very bold for people to read it. Okay, so guys, join me on the screen. Let me show you how you can generate thumbnail before exporting your video. Let's go.
So guys, if you want to add thumbnail on your video before exporting it, all you need to do is just to come to your new project. You tap new project, go and look for the video that you want to edit. Let's assume it's this one now. I bring in the video. Once you bring in the video, the next thing is just to look for the action part on your video. Okay, if there is no action part on your video, you can snap picture while recording your video. While recording your video, you snap catchy picture that you use for your thumbnail. But if you forgot to snap catchy picture, you can select your thumbnail from your video. Just tap this cover here. Once you tap it, you will see select from album. Album is from your gallery, but here now I want to select from video. You just be scrolling the video like this, scrolling it till you see the catchy parts you can use for your thumbnail. Let's say it's this side now. Here now I want to use as my thumbnail. Then I'll come here now, you see add text. You tap add text now. Maybe like this one is how to add thumbnail on your videos. How to add thumbnails on your videos. Have you seen it? So once you keep it here, anywhere you want to keep it to. So let's assume I want to keep my own here now. I'll tap good. But let me change the color. So you see styles. I'll go and look for the styles that I want. If I want to use yellow now, have you seen it? I've used yellow. If I don't want to use yellow, if it is purple, if it is this one, if it is this one, this one, anyone that you want to use, you just tap it. Okay, just tap it. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? So if you want to increase the size, you can tap here to increase the size, or you leave it like this. Okay, so once it's like this, you're good to go. Let's assume it's like this now. I want to leave it. How to add thumbnails on your video. Have you seen it? The next thing is just to tap save. It has saved now. So this thumbnail now, I tap the cover. Have you seen it? This is what will show on my video. When I post this video now, this is the first thing you will see before you click. How to add thumbnails on your videos. This is the first thing you will see before clicking. Okay, so if you want to add maybe other things like stickers or text or any other thing, you can still add, but thumbnail is supposed to be very easy, very simple, and for your audience to know your thumbnail. You're supposed to add, as you're adding title, make sure that what is in your thumbnail aligns with what is in your video, what you said in your video, and also it will be aligned with what you write at your video title. This is very very important. Okay, so if you don't want to select from the video, maybe you already have a picture, another picture that you want to use as your thumbnail, it mustn't be from your video. You can select, you go for here, select album, you select this. Let's assume it's this one now. I just screenshotted this one now. Okay, you select. If you don't like it, you just go back, tap select from album again, you scroll and look for the picture that you want to place there. Okay, let's say it's this one now I want to use. I've using it, confirm. So I'll also add, the text is already there. I've using it, the text is already there. How to add thumbnails on your videos. So that's it. Once, this one is perfect. So how to add thumbnails on your videos. Once you are done with it, you tap save. So that is what will be at my video, how to add thumbnails. Okay, so guys, this is how to do it. It's very easy and simple. Once you do it, you tap save. So this thumbnail have saved. Once someone see your video now, is that thumbnail that the person will see. That is the first thing that person will see on your video. So it's very very important that you add thumbnail on your videos. Okay, this will help to make your video to go viral. People will love to watch and also come back to watch again. Okay, so try this hack now and tag me later. So guys, after saving your video like this, then you finish all your editing and everything, you change your resolution to 1080 or 2K or 4K. Then you go ahead and export your video. Bagam, you're good to go. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and follow for more tutorials. I love you all. Bye. See you on my next video.